All right, so here we are. Here's our drum here. These are the fourth clutches. They look okay. It's held in with a big snap ring on this one. But for the third clutch, it's a different anchor mechanism. And what we have here, if you see these screw holes, what's supposed to happen is there's supposed to be screws which are missing, which fit into that notch to lock this plate in place. Now the reason is, once this plate goes down, if you line up the edges, you have to rotate slightly with the plate in order for those screws to go in. Once you do that, this top plate locks the snap ring groove, so it can't come out. So what actually happened is the screws came out, and this plate rotated and allowed the top plate to come out, and you lost your third gear clutch apply because it no longer had a stop. So that's what happened with this. And there is other issues. There's the reason why this gear is broken is probably because you got some screws in between and it smashed the teeth on the gear. I can't see any debris of where that would have come from unless somebody's had the tractor apart or serviced it before. I don't see where that would have come from. But in any case, there's supposed to be fiber washers, like plastic washers like this, all throughout the transmission. And everywhere I look, the majority of them are finished, and some are even totally missing. They should be there, but they're not. So this has caused a lot of free play inside the transmission, and probably created this damage. So that's where we're at. The transmission is completely gutted. I'm not going to pull the support shaft out of the drum because it did the air check, and the pistons are fine. So all we need to do, I think the clutches are fine. Get this reassembled. And we need to get a washer kit in order to do this correctly. So I imagine we can get that from Ford. But here we go. Here's the case. I've strung it up. So I'm going to pressure wash it, get all the dirt off it. And it's going to be like brand new when I'm done. That, and we got some clean flow for our parts washer. So we can get that up and running. So it's going to be great. All right, out for now.